Hi, my name is Mark Treese, and I am the CEO and one of the founders here at TorchPrep. With schools, we have watched and experienced so much anxiety around the ACT and other standardized tests, not just with students, but with staff and teachers and school leadership. So that point of pain is one that we have really worked hard to solve. TorchPrep works with so many different schools, all varieties, and our goal and what we do is we take the overarching kind of problem of the ACT and afford an A to Z solution. We like to say that from test registration to college application. TorchPrep kind of fills the gaps to help our kids succeed as highly as possible. Now, I want to say something about that really quickly. We are a student-centric company. That is to say, everybody who's part of TorchPrep, our vision, our goal is always students first. We want to see kids believe in themselves. We want to see the stress of test anxiety and just that pressure. We want to see that dialed back so that we can really see our kids succeed as highly as possible. So if you'd like to learn more about what we do and how we might be able to help your school, there's a form below. Fill it out. One of our team members will just reach out and we'll start a conversation to see if you'd be a good fit for us and if we'd be a good fit for you. Thanks for watching.